So today I'm going to be sharing all the prime deals that are available right now for travel. So if you're looking for any travel products, this is the time to grab them on Amazon. And all the items that I'm going to show you in today's video, I will put the links in the description box down below so that you can buy these for your next trip. Okay, so let's begin with suitcases. Amazon always has some really great suitcases on special during their Prime Day. I highly recommend the Samsonite suitcases. They have really great hardware on them, good wheels that won't break, a good handle, and super smooth zippers. These will last you a really long time. So right now they're having a really great sale on the Samsonite Freeform carry-on suitcase. This is a super lightweight suitcase, which is perfect for your carry-on. And even though it has the hard shell, they are expandable, which is always something I look for in a carry-on suitcase. This little backpack from Gear is always one that I gravitate towards. It's TSA approved. It has a laptop pouch. It has a waterproof pouch on the inside. It has lots of storage for all your electronics, and it does have a pocket here for your drinks. Now, why I like this backpack is that it has this band here on the back so that you can slip this onto the handles of your roll-on suitcase, which is always really nice. That way you don't have to navigate the airport with this on your back. Another special that I found is the Osprey lightweight day bag. It's got an 18-liter capacity, so it's really great for sightseeing or for an excursion. It's so small that it fits in my suitcase super easily, and it's so lightweight that it's really comfortable to wear all day long. Next are these compression cubes from BagSmart. It just helps you pack your stuff more efficiently. It helps you stay organized, but it also compresses your clothes. This is a little set of 6 in different sizes, so it's perfect for any travel. Also from the company BagSmart is this toiletry bag. Now this is the larger size, but it does come in a medium. The reason I like this is because it has this little hook here, so it's actually a hanging toiletry bag, so you can hook this on to any hook in your bathroom and free up the counter space. It has these clear windows, as you can see, perfect to see all your toiletries from, and you can carry quite a lot of toiletries with this. I actually take this large size bag for my family of 4. Next is this little travel umbrella. I always bring an umbrella with me in case of inclement weather when I am traveling. This one's light, portable, and is super strong and windproof. The next thing I always travel with is a first aid kit. What's cool is this is travel ready, so it has band-aids, bandages, Neosporin, and Tylenol. So it's a perfect little first aid kit, and right now it's 25% off. The next thing I like to travel with is a little pill organizer. I usually fill it up with all the medication that I'm gonna need on my travels. And right now it's 40% off, so it's really a great price. The next thing that I found that's on special right now are these sink suds. These are individual packets with laundry detergent in them. And this is perfect when you don't have access to laundry facilities on your travels. You can just wash your clothes or your undergarments in the sink of your hotel room. So I like to bring a couple of these packets with me on all my travels. The next thing that I always carry with me when I'm traveling is the Poopery toilet spray, just to keep the bathroom smelling fresh, especially if you're traveling with other people. Now, Poopery is often on sale on Prime Days, so this is usually when I stock up on those travel-sized toilet sprays for my future travels. Next are travel hangers. These are super practical because often hotel rooms don't have enough hangers for all my clothes. They're super small and easy to travel with, and that way I always have extra hangers with me on my travels. So now let's cover some travel electronics that I always like to bring with me, and Prime Day is the perfect day to buy your electronics. Now, the first item that I always travel with are these Apple AirPods. These are the AirPods 3 with noise cancellation. I really like them for the airplane because it cancels out that really loud noise. Now, if you don't want to spend that much money, you can look at the JBL earbuds. These are a really great price right now, but they do not have that noise cancellation. Now, if you are looking for a really great pair of wireless headphones, these are the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. They have active noise cancellation and a mic built in. They also have 24 hours of playtime, so they're a super high quality pair of wireless headphones, perfect for your next travel. Now, if you're not willing to pay that much for a pair of headphones, the second best is the Sony wireless headphone. These also have a built-in microphone and they have up to 50 hours of battery life. And right now with Prime, they are up to 45% off. So really nice deal for a Sony headphone. Now, to use those headphones or those earbuds in the airplane, you might want to invest in a airplane Bluetooth adapter. This is a receiver for 2 AirPods or 2 headphones, which is really nice. So this little adapter, you just take it and plug it into the entertainment system of the airplane, and that way you can watch movies or shows using your wireless headphones or earphones. Now, if you're looking for a little portable speaker, I highly recommend the JBL speaker. This is waterproof, dustproof, perfect for the beach and to bring with you on your travels. And right now it's on special for Prime. Now, the other thing I always buy on Prime days are portable chargers for my different devices. I can highly recommend this one from Charmast. This one's kind of cool because it's got 4 different plugs here for different devices all in one. And this one is fast charging, so it's perfect to charge like my iPad when I'm traveling, my phone, and it can charge multiple devices at the same time. The next charger that I like to travel with is for my iPhone. This one is the Anchor magnetic charger. What I like about it is because it's magnetic, I can be charging my phone while I'm still using it, or if I need to make a phone call, it magnetically holds onto my phone so I know I won't lose it and I don't have any of those extra wires to charge my phone with. Now, another option is this little charger. This is the iWalk phone charger. What I like about it is the size. It's just so small, so it fits into your pocket really easily or into your purse. And this one just plugs in at the bottom of your phone and it charges your phone like this. Because it's so small, it's super easy to just throw this into your purse while it's charging, or if you need to use it, it's not cumbersome and it doesn't have extra wires that are hanging out everywhere. Now, another thing that I recommend traveling with are AirTags, and for Prime Day, these always fall on special, so it's the perfect time to buy some for your next travels. I'll usually put this in my suitcase. That way I can track my suitcase if it gets stolen or if it's misplaced. I know exactly where my suitcase is using those AirTags. Another thing that you might want to invest in if you're somebody who travels a lot is the Amazon Kindle Paperweight. It's a great way to bring all my books and my magazines all in one device that's super thin, super easy to use. This one has auto adjusting front light, wireless charging, and it has weeks of battery life. All right, the next item I wanted to show you are these little travel bottles. These are TSA approved and they are leak proof, so perfect for your next trip. Next thing that I like to bring are little makeup wipes. These are great. They have micellar water in them and these are individually wrapped. So they're really great because you can throw a bunch of these in your purse and that way it's also guaranteed not to dry out as quick as the bigger packs. So that's why I like the little individually wrapped towelettes. Okay, next let's talk about sunscreen. So my favorite travel sunscreen is from the company La Roche-Posay. I really like this one for the face. The reason why I like this is it's a super lightweight formula and this one is invisible, so it doesn't leave that white cast like other mineral sunscreens leave, and it wears really well under my makeup. So I always travel with this, and this comes in a travel size bottle, which is really nice. Now, if you are looking for a sunscreen for the body, they also do make the Antilio sunscreen. This is an oil-free formula for sensitive skin. It's oxybenzone free, so it is reef safe, so you can go into the ocean with it. And this one is kind of like a milky texture, so it just melts into your skin. And again, it doesn't leave any white cast. That's why I really like it. Another thing that I always travel with is aloe vera gel. Just in case you do get a sunburn, you want something to put onto it to soothe the redness, the itching, and the burning sensation. So this is a nice cooling gel. This is from Amazon Basics, and all the Amazon products are on special right now. Okay, so the next item that I found is this Flamingo travel razor kit for women. It comes with a mini travel razor and 2 blade refills, which is really nice. And it also comes with 2 travel size shaving gels. So perfect for your next travel. And this one is 20% off right now. Next on my list is this Sol de Janeiro perfume. I really like this for the summer months, or if I'm going on a tropical vacation. It just smells like a tropical destination and I absolutely love it. Sol de Janeiro usually is super expensive, so I really like grabbing it on those Prime days when I can pay a lot less for the same product. Next are these Grace and Stella eye masks. I usually like to put these on, especially after a really long flight, or if I'm sleeping in a hotel. A couple of eye masks just to put underneath your eyes to depuff in the morning and to hydrate the under eye before putting makeup is always a nice thing. Next are these Kish shampoo and conditioner bars. I've already talked about this on many videos, but this is a great way to reduce your liquids when you're only traveling with a carry-on. So these ones are the coconut oil for kinky, curly, and coily hair. I really love the smell of these. They smell really, really nice, and they really do last forever. So it's a really nice investment, and it's a great time to nab them while they're on special. The next thing I want to show you is this hair curler. This is my favorite travel hair curler. First of all, if you're not good at curling your hair like I am, this is a great tool because it kind of curls your hair for you. It's like an automatic hair curler. This one is the 1 1/4 inch barrel, but they do have different barrel sizes depending on your thickness of your hair and also how big you want your curls. All right, guys, so those are all my travel recommendations for the Amazon Prime Day sale. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more videos like this one, and I'd really appreciate it if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy travels. Bye.